Okay, let's see, whose radio is this? Okay, this is Justin's. Justin, this is your radio. Turned out it had a bad PLL chip. Normal 40 worked great, but when you tried to make it go above or below, it acted like an old Dash 97 chip. Anyway, I had some brand new ones I'd ordered from Ranger, and I installed a socket and put the new chip in a socket. Okay. And let's see, that's band C. That's the middle of the band. There is the bottom channel. I got the radio upside down so that we can look at the inside of it. But that's channel 1 on band 1, 26065, which is what it should be. Next one should be 515, the next one should be 965, 415, 865. There it is. Alright, now let's go to 40. And everything above channel 12 on band E or 5 is going to be 27975 because the chip only has 192 addresses in it. Okay. That's the high band, 855. That's the top of band D. 405 will be the top of band C. 955, top of band B. And 505, top of band A. Okay. So it's working. And I've got the board mounted back up there. There again, there's that brand new chip right there in a chip socket. If you want to check, you can pull that chip out and look and tell that it's never been soldered into anything. But here's your old one right here. Yeah, too close to it. Very obvious that it was soldered in. Okay, and it worked on some of the out-of-band channels, but anything that required the state of pin 10 to change didn't work. Alright, there we go. And let me put it back on the CB band. Yeah, CB band. And channel 38. Now I did do the alignment for you. That's AM. The clarifier is centered up. Okay. There's lower side and upper side. And again, I'm holding the camera upside down. So, you just have to remember that. Alright. That switch is a little bit dirty. I might clean that. Just want to switch the lower side band, the meter jumps. Okay, if I switch off of AM to either one of the other two, the meter jumps. But if you wiggle that switch in upper side band, I see the frequency counter moving a little bit. So I'll clean that up a little. I got some CRC. I'll put spray in there. That should take care of it. Okay. There it is. I'll button it up and get her shipped out. Thanks a lot, Justin. But you'd like to see it with the that wire is all tied up inside there, like what you did with the 10kc switch. That's pretty neat. That's why I put that thing in there loosely so you can pick another switch. And also, I noticed how you notch the front up here. That's extremely good craftsmanship. I really like that. Good job on that. I put a piece of tape over it because, believe it or not, the inside of this faceplate, this chrome plating on there can conduct, and you know, it wasn't doing it now, but it is possible that it could eventually short out that switch, which I did tighten up the switch. It was a little bit loose and moving around, and I put a piece of tape over the contacts to make sure that it wouldn't touch this. All right, and also put the protective tape around the bezel. I noticed your faceplate looked pretty damn good, and I wanted to make sure I didn't mess it up. So when you get the radio back, you can just grab a hold of that tape right there and peel it off. Okay, I'm gonna put the faceplate back on it, put the knobs on it, and go send you a bill. I got about 4 hours in this, but because you had to wait so long for me to get to it, I'm going to knock a couple of hours off of that. Okay? All right. Thanks a lot for your business, Justin. Here it is all back together. The GNF works, but just knocks it down too much. Let me switch to channel 1. Alright, there's where that one starts. There's the lowest channel right there. I'll go back to 40. There's the highest channel on band A. Highest channel on band B, lowest channel on band B. Band C is the CB channel, or CB band rather. There's the next band up. Highest channel there. And the last band, 866, and it'll go up to about channel 11. Right there. And then all the rest of them above that are 975. Okay? Alright. There it is. I'm going to leave it on the lower side of channel 38. Boy. Here it is all put back together. And the warranty stickers on there. We got a 90-day warranty for the work that we did. There's the protective tape. You get ready to take that off, you can just peel it off right there. Okay. That's CB. That's band B. There's band A. B, C, D. I'm sorry, that was E. There's D. There's E. Okay, E starts there, and it will change channels a little bit. The frequency will change slightly because the 10.24 reference oscillator that it uses is slightly off frequency, and there's no adjustment for it. It's for your 10 kilohertz channel spacing, and if it's off, then you won't space exactly 10 kilohertz. There's channel 1. Channel 40 will be 975. I think channel 10, yeah, channel 9 is the last channel, and channel 10 is 975. All the rest of the channels up through 40 are 975 because there's only 192 channels in the 8719. Okay. Alright, that's the high frequency. There's band D. Starts at 41, ends at 855. And the standard CB band. Okay. And there's band B. Starts at 515, ends at 955. Okay, and there's 505, and the absolute lowest channel is 065. Okay, we'll leave it on, well, I'll put it on 38. Somebody got a noise toy. trying to drive people off the lower side of 38. Probably some damn AM or somewhere. Anyway. All sidebanders want are the top 4 channels, and the AMers could have the rest of them, but they ain't happy with that. Okay. There it is. Thanks a lot.